If you are preparing for highly competitive exams like CAT or GMAT and experience moments of self doubt, frustration, and even feel dumb at times, don't worry, you are not there alone. We all have been there. And remember, it does not stem from a lack of intelligence, but rather a combination of factors inherent in the nature of these exams and the entire preparation process. If you do not know me already, I am Ritika and I have recently started giving free advices to career oriented individuals on YouTube that would make their life simpler. Now, getting back to where we were, this feeling that you have can be attributed to three major factors. Number one, most of you are returning to rigorous academic schedule after a few years of break from formal education. There are math concepts from high school or grammar rules that you might have learnt in some distant past. Therefore, it's very natural that you would struggle as you try to reactivate your dormant skills. This is what is called rustiness factor and is probably the primary reason for your trouble. Number two, these exams are gateways to top business schools, which means immense pressure on you. Also, you are witnessing other people's success stories, such as so and so's daughter or son has done this and that, which can create an unfair comparison in your mind, leading to you feeling stupid. Number three, time is key in such exams. Therefore, you need to think quickly, take a decision very fast, which can lead to silly mistakes even on concepts that you probably know very well. Now, 4.2 and 3, there is not much that you can probably do about. You need to shut down those noises in your head and practice your ass off to turn constraints in your favor. Luckily, for your rusted skills, there is a remedy available and it's fun too. Try these games instead. Choose two or three games out of this entire list and make them a part of your preparation journey. Lumosity is my personal favorite, and let me tell you, this is an absolute DILR gold. Also, note that you are not doing any time pass here. These games help you become precision oriented, enhances your cognitive skills, logical reasoning, and critical thinking abilities, improves your decision making, problem solving, and spatial reasoning, and definitely helps you with concentration and focus.